Imagine a robotics company quietly plotting its next big move on the global stage, seeking to raise hundreds of millions of dollars while flying under the radar. That's exactly what Quicktron Robotics is doing, as recent reports reveal that the company has secretly filed for an initial public offering, IPO, in Hong Kong, with plans to go public as soon as next year. According to Bloomberg, citing anonymous sources familiar with the matter, this IPO aims to raise no less than $100 million. But here's where it gets interesting. How will this affect the competitive landscape of the robotics industry? And what does this mean for investors looking at innovative tech companies? Quicktron Robotics, founded back in 2014, specializes in cutting-edge solutions revolving around mobile robot clusters and intelligent operating systems. Think about warehouses or manufacturing facilities where fleets of autonomous robots work together seamlessly to optimize operations. This is precisely the kind of technology Quicktron provides. Their expertise lies not just in building individual robots, but in creating entire ecosystems powered by advanced software platforms that help businesses run smarter and more efficiently. This focus on system-wide integration makes them stand out among other players in the robotics space. For those unfamiliar with the term mobile robot clusters, picture this. Instead of one robot performing a task, imagine dozens or even hundreds working in perfect harmony, communicating with each other in real time to achieve complex goals. It's like an orchestra, where every instrument plays its part flawlessly, guided by a conductor. In Quicktron's case, their conductor is their proprietary intelligent operating system, which ensures all robots are synchronized and functioning optimally. This level of sophistication is becoming increasingly crucial as industries worldwide embrace automation to cut costs and improve efficiency. Related developments show that investor confidence in Hong Kong Stock Exchange remains strong. For instance, Morgan Stanley recently raised its target price for HKEX 00388 to $508, reflecting growing optimism about the financial hub's future performance. With Quicktron now entering the scene through a potential IPO, could this further boost investor enthusiasm for tech-driven enterprises? Or will skeptics argue that will they use the funds raised to expand internationally, invest in R&D, or perhaps acquire smaller competitors? The possibilities are vast, and each decision could shape the trajectory of the company significantly. But let's take a step back and consider the broader implications. Some might say that Quicktron's move reflects a larger trend of Asian tech firms stepping onto the global stage, leveraging advanced technologies to compete with Western counterparts. Others might counter that the robotics sector is already crowded, making differentiation harder than ever. So, do you think Quicktron has what it takes to carve out a unique niche and thrive in this competitive environment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you agree or disagree.